Tired of slow, inaccurate laser engraving? Ready to unleash your creativity with professional-grade results? Then get ready for the Longer RAY5 40W. This isn't your average laser engraver. With a powerful 40W laser and advanced laser enhancement technology, you'll achieve stunning, thinner lines, clearer textures, and incredibly detailed artwork, even multicolor engraving on metal. Imagine the possibilities. The RAY5 boasts blazing fast engraving speeds up to 24,000 millimeters per minute, thanks to its 32-bit ESP32 chipset. It's incredibly versatile too. Control it offline with the built-in touchscreen, connect via Wi-Fi, USB, or app, and it's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. One computer can even control multiple RAY5s. But speed and precision aren't everything. Your safety is paramount. That's why the RAY5 features a comprehensive 5-point safety system, including tilt detection, flame detection, and automatic shutdown in case of any anomaly. Work with confidence. And with the intelligent air assist system and a durable, dust-proof design, you'll enjoy longer laser head life and consistently high-quality results. The video shows a montage of stunning projects created with the RAY5. Don't miss out on this limited-time offer. The Longer RAY5 40W laser engraver is changing the game. Get yours today and unlock your creative potential. Click the link below to order your Longer RAY5 40W now. Supplies are limited, so don't wait. And use code YouTube10 for 10% off your purchase. Unleash your inner artist today.